I took a sick day from work because I had such a headache. It's migraine season for me. But today I was able to finish the pattern. The yarn has not come in yet. It's running a little late and the estimated delivery time keeps changing, but the latest update was it should be here tomorrow by the end of the day. So what I did was I used my swatch and got the gauge for each stitch pattern. So I decided on this one. I got the gauge for that and also for this, and was able to write up the pattern. So I was able to do the computations and write up the pattern, so it's all here. So when the yarn gets here, I just have to test everything out and make the necessary changes. The good thing with this pattern is it's just a one size shawl. So think of this, there's no computing or grading involved with this one. So let's wait for the yarn to arrive. I have yarn now. So my package of yarn finally came in a couple days ago. I've just been busy, so I haven't been able to unbox anything, but there's a lot of yarn here. I'm just really happy that they're here because I can finally start on my spring and summer designs. I've cleaned out some space specifically for this yarn, so let's get this out of the box and organize our yarn shelf. Okay, so I've organized all of my yarn over here, and some went on these shelves. Now I'm all organized and excited to start working with this yarn. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. Been a while since my last update, maybe over a week or so, but I have been working on it, finding time to work on this piece between reading and just my regular full-time job. But I have reached the point, so this is how it's gonna look like. I have reached the point where I'm going to start making the side panels. So the idea is it's gonna go like this, and then there's going to be flaps on both sides that go down kind of like this. Right, so it's gonna look like that. And after, whoa, what's happening? After that, after I'm done making like the body of it, I gotta work on the borders. So throughout the outline of this garment, there's going to be like a braided border, which is going to be super cute, and I think it gives like an elegant vibe, so I'm really excited to get to that point. But here we are. I have to head to work in a couple of hours. I'm gonna see if I could at least start or at least finish like this grayish area, and then hopefully finish this up over the weekend. It is snowing quite a lot and it's freezing temperature, so I don't think I'm going to be going out this weekend, which is fine because then I'll have more time to finish this. Okay, let's work on it. So I finished the body part of the garment, and this is how it looks like. Let me just move back here. So it's essentially a big rectangle with flaps to go around the shoulder. There we go. I'm looking forward to getting this finished soon, and this weekend is going to be all about video tutorials and making sure that the pattern is proofread and corrected. But yeah, this pattern is almost done. So I finally finished it, and here's the border. I originally wanted the border to be a little bit thicker, but I felt like making it thicker would kind of take away from this design and make it look a little too heavy. I might experiment trying to add another row repeat to see how it would look like, but for now this is quite beautiful. I love how whimsical it looks like, and after I'm done blocking it, it's going to be nice and drapey. It already is, but having it blocked would even out some of the stitches, and I can't wait. It's snowing outside, so tomorrow when we take pictures of it, it's gonna have a nice blanket of snow. Just look very whimsical and woodland, with the woodland vibes. So I'm very excited. Good morning. So last night while watching a movie, I actually decided to go on and add that extra row and see how it would look like, and I actually think it came out really nice. It pulled the garment together more, and it actually looks more finished. So after adding on the second repeat of the border, I went on and weaved in all of my ends and steam blocked the piece. So now it's not stiff at all. It feels super drapey, and we're actually going to go out today and take some videos and pictures of the top or of the shawl. I'm super excited for that, but first I have to drink coffee. We're just getting some gas and we're off to find a spot where we can take some photos. It's a little later in the afternoon because the sun is really harsh today because it's just really sunny and the fresh snow. So hopefully we find a good spot. Oh my god. Getting already towards the I can't believe that was just 4 minutes. Round 2. We are down to the final stretch of the pattern making process. So now I'm going to go into my drafted pattern, add the images that we took yesterday along with the pattern tutorial images that I made when I redid the border, and that is it. Just make sure that everything that I previously wrote in the draft is correct, calculations are accurate, and that's just about it. So that is what we are doing today.